What's going on, guys? All right, so we're on the bench again today. We got this really nice looking box that would mount on the back of a nice little step deck trailer, and the bracket fell off and now it's got some speed holes in it. We're gonna fix it today. That's the plan, that's the goal, that's what we're doing. So clean up all the welds, I'll clean up all of this, probably throw a little bit of heat right here just to help us pull it back, and then pull it back, weld it up, make a square, and carry on. So what we're gonna do also is we're gonna throw a piece of angle iron or something just on the inside once this is all back straight to make it gooder, make it stronger. It mounts right here and here, so as you can see, those holes are non-existent anymore. So, well, somewhat existent, they're just more ovals. That's what we're gonna do.
That's a cute kid right there.
We got this side fit up, so I'm gonna tack this up right here. Sorry, I got the camera all wonky. I'm gonna tack this up right here, tack this up right here, go back on the inside, pop this out, and we'll get that tacked up, and then we'll just work our way down. Hopefully there's still some meat there. It's pretty thin there, so we'll see how it goes. Welded up the cracks, that bent that side back, welded this side all up. So basically there's this hole here and this hole here, and that was where the original holes were to mount this bracket on. So even this side, the bolts are missing. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a measurement off of this, get my angle iron inside this corner. I'll backfill into that, stitch on the inside, and then we'll drill our new holes. That way everything will be nice and solid for when he puts it back on his truck. I'll roll this thing all over, and then I'll probably end up standing it up so I can actually kind of get in there. See how this all works out. The doors in this thing are pretty long, so nothing is easy. All right, so you see we are in the box, but it's nice and dirty in here. Angle iron. You can see they've got a piece of folded over plate. When they build these boxes, that's what they do to make these a little bit easier. They just fold that over. That way it gives you a little bit of a lip to weld to. There's not, well, it's there, but it's not super skookum. So we got a piece of angle iron. Basically, we'll clean it up, fit it in there, and then that'll stitch it across here, stitch it across the bottom, and then that'll help strengthen this baby up. I always like doing this when I build these just because it makes it a little bit nicer. White wheel inside of there, clean all that up. Wrote it down with acetone, wire brush it. We'll weld that up in there. I'm sure there'll be some really nice smells in there. That's some dirty shit. Alright, well, we got it all back together. I drilled these two holes just based off of those ones. I don't think I filmed it, and it's probably good because I think I might have I popped my nose with the drill. So you guys missed that enjoyment. I can still feel that enjoyment. It's all back together. We welded the angle in. Holes are drilled. Chamfered the holes a little bit. Take the edges off. It's pretty well as good as it's gonna get. She's a beat up storage unit. So it's all good. Hit that like button. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this. Hit that notification bell, stay up to date with what's going on. Like I said, we're doing a video every week. We're pumping this stuff out. So make sure you guys follow my Instagram @CrumbedEnvy. Yeah. All right, boys, we'll see you guys later.